Out there in the vastness of space, amidst the stars and galaxies, drifts a celestial object that has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. Asteroid 99942 Apophis. This isn't just any space rock. It's a near-Earth asteroid, which means its orbit brings it close to our planet. What makes Apophis particularly intriguing, and a tad unsettling, is its potential to collide with Earth. The asteroid is a cosmic reminder of the dynamic and sometimes chaotic nature of our solar system. While the odds of an impact are slim, the possibility is enough to make Apophis a subject of intense scrutiny. Scientists around the world are keeping a watchful eye on this celestial traveler, eager to learn more about its composition, trajectory, and potential threat. Apophis first made its presence known to astronomers in 2004. A team at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona detected the asteroid during a routine survey of the night sky. Initial observations revealed that Apophis was on a course that could potentially intersect with Earth's orbit, raising concerns about a possible collision. The discovery of Apophis sent ripples through the scientific community. Astronomers around the globe trained their telescopes on the asteroid, eager to gather as much data as possible about this newfound celestial neighbor. As more observations poured in, scientists were able to refine their calculations and determine that Apophis posed a significant, though not immediate, threat to our planet. So, how big is Apophis really? Well, picture this. A rock tumbling through space, roughly 1,100 feet, 340 meters in diameter. That's about the length of 3 football fields. This massive chunk of cosmic debris weighs in at an estimated 61 million tons. That's heavier than 55 million cars. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's big, but space is even bigger, right? And you'd be right. However, Apophis's orbit is what makes it a bit too close for comfort. This celestial wanderer travels around the sun in an elliptical path that intersects with Earth's orbit. While Apophis makes regular passes by our planet, it's the 2029 encounter that has scientists particularly interested. Mark your calendars, folks, because on April 13th, 2029, Apophis is going to make a remarkably close approach to Earth. We're talking about a distance of just 19,000 miles, 31,000 kilometers, above the Earth's surface. To put that into perspective, that's closer than some of our weather satellites. Now, before you start packing your doomsday bunker, let me assure you, the chances of an impact in 2029 are extremely low. Scientists have carefully studied Apophis's trajectory and are confident it will sail past our planet without incident. However, this close encounter is more than just a cosmic spectacle. It presents a unique opportunity for scientists to study Apophis up close and personal. Section 5. Oceans under fire. The cataclysmic splashdown scenario. Let's dive into the hypothetical for a moment. Picture the vast, serene expanse of the ocean, teeming with life beneath its surface. What if Apophis, a massive asteroid, were to enter Earth's atmosphere? This celestial body, hurtling towards us at unimaginable speeds, would create a spectacle in the sky. The most likely scenario, given the distribution of land and water on our planet, is an impact with the ocean. With over 70% of Earth's surface covered by water, the odds favor a splashdown. Imagine, if you will, Apophis, heated by its plunge through the atmosphere, striking the ocean's surface with a force beyond comprehension. The collision would be cataclysmic. The energy released would be equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. A massive tsunami, dwarfing any in recorded history, would radiate outward from the impact site. These waves would travel at incredible speeds, reaching distant shores in a matter of hours. Coastal cities and low-lying areas would be inundated by walls of water, causing widespread devastation. Buildings would be swept away, and infrastructure would crumble under the relentless force. But the destruction wouldn't stop there. The impact would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, further compounding the disaster. The impact would vaporize a tremendous amount of seawater, releasing it into the atmosphere as steam. This steam would rise and spread, altering weather patterns globally. This sudden influx of water vapor, a potent greenhouse gas, would have long-term effects on Earth's climate. The increased humidity could lead to more intense storms and unpredictable weather, reshaping our environment for years to come. Section 6. Ground Zero. When Apophis threatens land. While an ocean impact is statistically more likely, a land impact by Apophis is the stuff of nightmares. The sheer devastation it could cause is almost unimaginable. The energy released upon impact would be equivalent to thousands of nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously. This cataclysmic event would unleash a force so powerful that it would reshape the landscape in an instant. Imagine a massive crater, miles wide and hundreds of feet deep, carved into the Earth's surface. This gaping wound on the planet would be a stark reminder of the asteroid's destructive power. The immediate blast wave would obliterate everything within a vast radius, followed by raging fires that would consume anything in their path. Buildings, forests, and entire cities would be reduced to ashes in moments. The long-term consequences of an Apophis land impact are equally dire. The aftermath would leave a barren, desolate landscape with towns and cities lying in ruins. The massive amount of dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the planet into an extended period of darkness and cold. This impact winter would have severe repercussions for life on Earth. This impact winter would devastate agriculture and ecosystems worldwide, potentially leading to mass extinction. Crops would fail, food supplies would dwindle, and wildlife would struggle to survive in the harsh conditions. The ripple effects of such an event would be felt for generations. Section 7. Cosmic Odds and Planetary Defense. Preparing for the unexpected. Now, before you start losing sleep over the possibility of Apophis ruining your day, let's talk about the odds. The good news is that scientists estimate the probability of Apophis impacting Earth in the next century to be extremely low. We're talking about a 1 in several thousand chance, which is about the same odds as getting struck by lightning twice in your lifetime. However, even though the risk is small, the potential consequences are so enormous that we can't afford to ignore it. That's why scientists and engineers around the world are working on planetary defense strategies to protect our planet from asteroid threats. And Apophis is a great test case. Section 8. Eyes on the skies. The importance of tracking Apophis. Despite the low probability of impact, Apophis remains an object of intense scrutiny for astronomers. By closely monitoring its trajectory and studying its composition, we can learn a great deal about asteroids and the potential threats they pose. The 2029 close approach of Apophis presents a golden opportunity for scientific observation. As Apophis grazes Earth, astronomers will have a front row seat to study this celestial visitor in unprecedented detail. These observations will help refine our understanding of Apophis's orbit, size, and composition. This information is crucial not only for assessing the long-term risks posed by Apophis, but also for developing effective planetary defense strategies. Section 9. Apophis. A wake-up call for humanity. Apophis, the celestial harbinger, serves as a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos. This asteroid, named after the Egyptian god of chaos, is a symbol of the unpredictable nature of our universe. We live on a planet that is constantly bombarded by space debris, and while most of it burns up harmlessly in the atmosphere, there are larger objects out there that pose a significant threat. These objects, if they were to collide with Earth, could cause catastrophic damage, altering life as we know it. The good news is that we are not helpless. Humanity has always risen to challenges, and this is no different. We have the scientific knowledge and technological capabilities to detect and track potentially hazardous asteroids. Advanced radar systems and space telescopes allow us to monitor these celestial objects with increasing precision. And as we continue to study Apophis and other near-Earth objects, we edge closer to developing effective planetary defense systems. These systems could one day deflect or destroy asteroids on a collision course with Earth. APOPHIS is a wake-up call, urging us to look to the skies and take responsibility for our future. It reminds us that we are part of a larger cosmic environment, one that requires our vigilance and preparedness. By investing in space exploration, scientific research, and planetary defense, we can ensure that humanity is prepared to meet the challenges posed by the cosmos. These investments not only protect us, but also drive innovation and inspire future generations. After all, we only have one Earth, and it's up to us to protect it. Our collective efforts today will determine the safety and prosperity of future generations. Let APOPHIS be the catalyst that unites us in this crucial endeavor.